Hello, I'm Vadim, and today I'll be showing you how to add a service group in Nagios XI. This will be a quick tutorial, so let's get started. Once you're logged in, hover over the gear icon on the left and click Core Config Manager. From there, click on the Monitoring dropdown and click Service Groups. In here, you could create service groups to sort all your services from various hosts all into one group. You'll find any service groups that have been previously created here. You could also add a new service group by clicking Add New. You can name the service group and give it an alias. You could also add additional notes below. To assign different services, select Manage Services or Manage Service Groups. For this example, I'm going to add some services into a group. I will not be adding any service groups to this new group. You should find a list of services that you could filter. If you want to select multiple services at the same time, hold down the Shift or Control button on your keyboard and click the other services. After you've selected your services, click Add Selected at the bottom, and those services should move over to the right side under Assigned. If you want to remove all assigned services, you could click Remove All at the top. Otherwise, you could exclude or delete services on the right side. Once you are finished, close out of the page and click Save. Your new service group should now be added. You'll also have some additional actions you could take, such as Edit, Copy, View Config, Relationships, or Delete. When you are done, click Apply Configurations to save the service group. And now you know how to add service groups in Nagios XI. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, check out our YouTube channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next one.